Hi guys, welcome to the video, and I tested out Vograce so that you guys don't have to and you can learn from all the mistakes that I made. Hopefully save your money and make better informed decisions. So let's start. Let's start unboxing. I was so excited. I opened up the box and everything was completely wrapped in bubble wrap. Each item was completely secure, as you can see. The shipment arrived all the way to Australia to me in just a week. I was so impressed. First, let's have a look at the A5 prints, since I have a lot to say about these. I'm going to turn off my voiceover so you can hear my first impression yourself. Oh my god, why are they bent? Look at that! Like, that's like a serious bend. I don't know if I'm happy about that, but anyways. The box that Vograce sent my shipment in clearly wasn't even big enough for A5 prints. This was a complete lack of care from their side and completely avoidable. As for the print quality itself, it was nothing crazy. The thickness was pretty good and I got the matte prints. They were so cheap. I paid $20 for 50 prints in total, so I guess we can expect it to not be so special. I could only recommend these to you if you are on a very tight budget. Otherwise, I strictly recommend you just go to a local shop to get your prints. Moving on to the postcards. These were so sharp. If you're not careful, you will get a paper cut like I did. I got these regular on one side and holographic coating on the other side. It was super pretty. However, I would warn you that it does wash out your drawing and lowers the quality. It was so pretty, I fell in love. It was one of my favorite things I got from Vograce. The holo is way less prominent on lighter prints, so keep this in mind. It looks really pretty on this pastel Zelda postcard though. I love these and would totally recommend them. Next, we have the stickers. They were packaged very securely and arrived in perfect condition. I'll show you this Gojo one up close. I didn't get any special coatings, just a basic vinyl sticker. They turned out nice and shiny. However, I'd warn you that some designs end up coming out way too dark. My avatar one ended up so dark that I felt it wasn't even worth selling anymore. So be careful with this. Besides this, they're just basic stickers and they're priced well. I don't have too much to say about them. Would I order them again? Yeah, definitely. But next time, I'd like to try maybe a fun coating on top. So, the keychains, I ordered plenty of products from Vograce, but I can tell that Vograce really specialized in their keychains because it was definitely the best product that I ordered from all the items that I got. The glitter epoxy is what I picked and it was so gorgeous. The glitter was so pretty and I would really recommend you to go for this glitter epoxy option. The only problem I had with my keychains was that they were way too small. I thought 2-inch would be fine, but the problem with this is because my art tends to be a little bit more on the detailed side. It's not like chibi or thick lines or anything, because if that's more of your style, 2-inch could be a really good size for you. But for me, I feel like I should have went for a 2.5 for sure. But overall, even despite the size, it's not bad. Here comes the Zelda one, my least favorite. I actually expected this one to end up quite pretty. It got so washed out. It got extra light. You can't really see it properly. I would give this one a 5 out of 10 simply because of that. Here are some additional things I wanted to mention. Production time was around 2 weeks for all my products. I chose standard shipping and it arrived within a week, very fast shipping. Great customer service, replied to me very fast, very budget friendly and great for beginners. Quality on every item won't be super, but it's still good enough. Provides proofs before printing to give you a sense of how everything will turn out. So, do I recommend Vograce? The answer is yes. Hope this helped you out. I know what it's like to start out and be so nervous about it all, but just go ahead and do it. I promise it'll be okay and you will learn so much just like I did. I believe in you. Feel free to comment and ask me any questions you have. I will do my best to answer you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye!